Mikaela, stop. Don't turn the poor thing into a god. You must kill Mikaela. Grant him forgiveness.